Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to TechTekk. Today I'm going to show you how to age any photo using the FaceApp. So if you don't know, the FaceApp challenge is going viral right now, and everybody wants to know how to change their young looking photos into an old person. So the first thing you need to do is download the FaceApp on iOS or Android. I'm using iOS, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. Once the application is downloaded, simply open up the application, click on next, and then just decline to subscribe because you don't need that for aging, the aging filter. Just allow access to your photos and notifications is fine. So once you've given permission for your photos, you can click on the bottom left-hand corner which says photos and then go to all photos. And I'm going to use this photo here, which is the one that I use on all social media. It takes a little while to process the photo, but once that has done, we can then add the aging filter. And then along the bottom you have a number of different ones. The one that says Pro is the paid subscription that we said no to. But we're gonna go and click on the aging button and then we're gonna click old. Here we go. Oh my God, that is hilarious. So you can actually click on the screen and it will, or touch on the screen and it will change from how it was to how it is now. But that is amazing. It's done like the neck and everything. That is fantastic. So I guess that's how I'm gonna look in 40 years time when I'm still reviewing on TechTekk. But that is amazing. And what I'm gonna do now is cancel that and I'm gonna go and try another photo. I'll tell you what, this one is horrendously horrible, and I took it as a joke, but we're going to use this one. And again, you can change anything, but we're just going to use the aging one for now. And we're going to click old and let that process and see what happens. It does take a little while to process. Oh my God, that is horrendous. Wow. That is that is just mad. Just the texture on the face is just amazing. Like how, even like if you, can I scroll it? No, I can't scroll in, but like the eyes, you can see there's like blood shots in the eyes. They've sort of carved down your teeth a bit. I don't know why my teeth is carved down so much, but that's amazing. And the hair is all grey. And let's try a couple of more photos. Let's go and scroll through my photo album. Okay, let's do the one from the other day when I unboxed the Tesla wall connector, and let's see what it does on that one. So this one's a little bit more of a long one, but let's click on the aging again. Let's click on old. Oh my that is mental. There we go. So I mean, it's gone a little bit funny, but I guess that's because the image is a little bit smaller, but the fact that it's still got my face in there and maybe old, that is amazing. So you can now pose as an old person in any photo, and you could probably get away with it. Okay, let's try this one. This one is me in the garden on my hammock. And it's actually a screenshot from my partner's Instagram, but let's just click on the old again. Oh my God, that is creepy. No, that just looks weird. That looks so weird. That is creepy as hell. Was it done to my t-shirt as well? I was like sort of put some skin on my t-shirt, but that one's gone a bit strange. But that is just, ugh. That is mad. Let's see if we can find some more, because this is just hilarious. Okay, this is the one I wanted. This is me and my pet rabbit, Buttercup. And as you can see, she sat on my shoulders. So again, let's click the age button on this and see what happens, and then click old. That is, oh my god, that is just so realistic. That is just crazy. Okay, so the redness on my eyes is not as bad on this one. And I've got a slightly red face, slightly tanned face. But yeah, that is just amazing. So I think you could genuinely go on Instagram and post these photos as an old person or an older person, and people would genuinely think nothing differently. They just think you're an older person on Instagram. So that is how you make any photo look old using the age filter on FaceApp. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new around here, why not hit that subscribe button for more technology related videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.